Yo, it's your boy, Ray Mabry. And on today's video, we're going to talk about the top 3 reasons why I think you should invest in CRO, Crypto.com token. Before we get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ray Mabry. I'm a full-time real estate investor and cryptocurrency investor. I've added cryptocurrency to my portfolio since 2017. So I've been in this for a while, put it down a little bit, and now I'm back at it real strong. So this particular channel, as I stated earlier in the previous videos, we're going to focus on investing in real estate, wholesaling in particular. We're also going to focus on building your cryptocurrency portfolio. All right. And so in today's video, we're going to focus on crypto.com and why I think this is one of the best undervalued cryptocurrencies out there to date. Also, before I go any further, I want to let you know that this is not financial advice. This is just, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just something where I'm just saying, hey, this is what I'm investing in. This is what I think has great potential. And I just wanted to put it out here to the market to let you know some of the benefits of owning this particular token. Hopefully you partake in it. But once again, I'm not saying that you should do it. I'm just saying seriously consider looking into it. All right. So we're going to talk about the top 3 reasons why I think crypto.com CRO, which is a symbol, CRO, is a great investment in today's market. Number 1, they have aggressive branding. Aggressive branding. What I mean by that is, partnerships and sponsorships. Just this past October, this past December, around Christmas time, they bought the rights to the renaming of the Staples Center in LA. It is now referred to as the Crypto.com Arena. These guys spent over $700 million, that's with an M, $700 million for the next 20 years to own the rights to that particular arena, Crypto.com Arena. It was unveiled on the Christmas night when the Lakers, I forgot who they played, but on that particular night, it became the Crypto.com Arena. In addition to that, they're also involved in, the Philly 76ers. And their logo is on their jerseys. They UFC. They have Formula One racing. They're involved in Major League Baseball. They're involved in soccer, hockey, AFL. They're just really sticking their name and their claim on athletics, professional sports in particular. But it's just giving brand awareness. Because think about it, Crypto.com exchange. When people are looking to get into crypto, the 2 main cryptocurrencies that they know about, generally speaking, is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is number 1, Ethereum number 2 as far as the market cap. But Crypto.com, which I think was started back in 2016, is paving the way. It's making tremendous strides. And with their aggressive marketing, they're going to be one of the top cryptocurrencies out there in the coming days and months and weeks and years and stuff. So that's one of the reasons why I am super bullish on this particular token. And when you hear somebody say bullish, that just means that they're looking for it to go up. If you hear somebody say they're bearish on something, they're expecting something to go down. So super bullish on Crypto.com CRO token. Number 2, they have a wide array of products and services. As I stated on the first point, they are an exchange, which means they currently have over 10 million users, and they currently offer over 250 different coins and tokens on their exchange. So if you was to log into the app, you can trade around 250 plus different tokens or coins on their exchange currently, and they're constantly adding more coins and tokens on a monthly basis and stuff. So that's a wide array of cryptocurrencies out there that you can choose from. Now, I know there's over 10,000 cryptocurrencies out there, so of course there's a lot that they don't offer. But at the same time, just know that out of 250 coins and tokens out there, I'm sure you can find some good, solid projects with good use cases that you can invest in off of their platform. If by some chance you don't have the app downloaded, make sure you use my affiliate link down at the bottom in the description and sign up under my affiliate link That way, when I get credit for you signing up, also way to help me and of course help the channel grow. And so, yeah, just take a look at it and give it a shot because I'm telling you, it's a very, very strong exchange. Other services that they have, or other products that they have, is they're connected, they're linked up with Visa, and they have their own credit card that has cash back rewards. And you got like 5 different cards you can choose from, and each one of them you have to have a certain amount of Crow tokens to qualify for it. But it's a metal card, they're real, real slick. I'm sure you've seen the commercials, either on TV or say on YouTube or whatever, because as I stated before, they do some very strategic branding, and they're just basically everywhere. But you can get credit cards that you can use, and you can get cash back, and you get rewards and stuff. So that's another huge benefit of having the Crow token. You can do staking, and they also have a DeFi wallet, and that just basically allows you to be able to take your money or your Crow tokens, and you can put it up in kind of like a savings account where you have higher interest rate than the bank could ever pay you. I think most banks average about 0.5% to 0.75% or maybe even 1% annual returns. Whereas, going through Crow and staking your tokens and stuff, sometimes you can get double digits return in a short period of time, like say 6 to 12 months, just depends on what they're offering. So that's another great service that they offer. And then they're also into the NFTs where you can buy, sell, and showcase your own NFTs through their platform. And maybe you've heard about NFTs, maybe you haven't, but that's something that's really, really hot right now. And if you want to know more about what NFTs are, non-fungible tokens, just look it up, Google it, and do some research on it. But Crypto.com is also offering that service on their platform. So those are some other reasons why I think that it's a great opportunity to have and own the Crow token. So that's the second reason. And the number 3 reason, and just know that I'm just giving you 3 reasons. There are so many benefits to owning the Crow token. I'm just giving you 3 reasons. But as I stated, do your research. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your research. See if this token fits your investing style and stuff, and your portfolio, of something you want in your portfolio. But I highly recommend you invest in this token. And the third one, which just really, really excites me, is the fact that the price is cheap. Now, you say, well, Ray, what's cheap? That's all relative. Sometimes you say, well, what's cheap? I'm gonna give you an example. Crypto.com is an exchange. Crow is the actual token for Crypto.com. All right, some of its competitors, I'm gonna tell you what some of the exchanges that's out there and what the prices are for those exchanges as of today's date. Binance. Binance is the number 1 crypto exchange in the world. Binance. All right. They're currently trading for $400 per token. Binance. $400 per token. Another exchange is KuCoin. It's currently trading for $20 a token. FTX is another exchange out there. It's going for $44 a token. You also have Huobi, Huobi, Huobi exchange. It's going for $10 per token. And then you have Uniswap, where you can actually, it's like a swap or whatever in exchange, but you can swap tokens and stuff. It's going for $11 as of today's prices now. Those just give you a wider range of the competitors and what their current token prices are. Now, remember, I told you Crow was established or created back in 2016. As of today's date, which I think is February the 10th, 2022, Crow is only going for 50 cents. 50 cents. Now, I'm not talking about the wrapper 50. I'm talking about the price. 50 cents. Now, compare that to Binance that's going for $400. Now, let me go ahead and preface this. I'm not saying that Crow is going to go from 50 cents to $400. I'm not saying that at all. But what I will tell you is back in 2017, about 2018, 2019, when I used to own some Binance tokens, I don't own any now. I was trading Binance tokens for like $1, somewhere right around $1, 50 cents to $1. Now it's worth $400. Just give you an idea of how much it's grown within the past couple of years. And so 50 cents, that's something that should really, really get you excited because it's super, super undervalued. So think about it this way. You've got an exchange, a token that's doing all this marketing. They're putting themselves in front of, these professional teams. So people, as far as their brand recognition or whatever, they're making a name for themselves. They also joined up with LeBron James and his school right here recently. So, gonna have King James on board as far as possibly endorsing them soon. They got a commercial out with Matt Damon, that they had out a couple months ago. Fortune favors the brave is what they put up there. But they're making a name for themselves, and the token is only 50 cents. 50 cents. I started investing in this token back when it was somewhere right around 12 cents, 15 cents. So I've been steadily investing, throughout the weeks and throughout the months. And so what I recommend is, look, I'm not telling you to go empty your bank accounts and throw it all in the crow. I'm just saying, if this is something that interests you and something that you feel like you want to get involved with, then what I recommend you do is just, have a plan, whether you want to invest daily, which, that's probably not the wisest thing, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Somehow, I think you really, really need to try to look into getting on board and investing in some crypto.com, some Crow tokens, because I'm super, super bullish on this particular token. The cheapest one I told you as far as a competitor is Huobi. Huobi, and I think it's only going for $10 per token. Crypto.com is at 50 cents, and it's making a name for itself. Like, it's going to be, in my opinion, the number one exchange in the near future. In the very near future, it's going to be the number one exchange. And it being the number one exchange doesn't mean that it's going to pass Binance and be over $400 a token. But I'm just telling you, when it compares to its market cap and what the price and stuff is, I think it has an aggressive plan to become number one. And so you got an opportunity to get in it early. Just get in it and hold. Don't try to be a trader and all that stuff. Just start building your portfolio. Buy a little bit at a time, or just as I stated, come up with a plan. But I highly recommend looking at crypto.com. The Super Bowl is this weekend, this coming Sunday, and some people are calling it the Crypto Bowl, meaning that I think they have on the schedule like 7 or 8 different cryptocurrency companies are going to be running Facebook ads. And some of these companies are spending $3 to $5 million to $7 million for, just an ad to run. So, and we're pretty sure that crypto.com is going to have an ad running as well. Once again, just putting itself out there, putting itself in the forefront, letting people know, hey, when you think about crypto, think about crypto.com, Crow. And I'm just telling you guys, this is a great opportunity. Not financial advice, but at the same time, I'm just really, really just encouraging you to dig a little deeper and do a little research and see if this particular token is right for you. But let me recap. Top 3 reasons: aggressive branding. Number 2, they have great products and services. And number 3, the price, in my opinion, is cheap. It's only going for 50 cents per token. If you're interested, remember, my affiliate link is down at the bottom. Please make sure you sign up under my link. If you haven't, download the app. Show your boy some love. But seriously look into Crow. Now, this is not the only token I have. I've got 4 different exchanges where I have tokens and stuff and coins invested, and I think I have over 20 different tokens and coins in my portfolio. So, crypto.com, Crow is not the only one that I have, but I'm telling you, it's one of the ones that I am most excited about just because of where I think it's going in the near future. All right. So this has been my time. I appreciate you for taking the time to hear your boy out. If you have any questions, if you want to know more about cryptocurrency and how to get started, whatever, just reach out to me, just shoot me a message, reach out to me, let's connect. Same thing when it comes to growing your real estate business. Hey, reach out to your boy, let's connect, let's see if we can work together. And until next time, this is your boy, Ray Mabry, about to sign off. Peace.